That over there.
Yeah,
Something.
welcome to my fancy house.
Yeah, fancy pants. I like it.
Oh, this is not. It's not house. It's palace.
A palace, even better.
Good.
Hello, Ahmed.
Hiyo, Viola.
How have you been?
I've been very good. I've been
I'm
doing very good.
good. I'm happy to hear that. I am happy to hear that.
Thank
And
you. Long time no see, right?
yeah, it's been a while. It has been a while. It's good. What do I see behind you? A red light, an orange light. What is that over there?
Yeah,
Something.
welcome to my fancy house.
Yeah, fancy pants. I like it.
Oh, this is not. It's not house. It's palace.
A palace, even better.
Good. I have like 45 bedroom, and about like maybe I'm not sure because sometimes I forget about the bathrooms. Maybe I have like 5 bathrooms.
No way.
I'm kidding.
I'm making a reservation. Save me a room.
Yeah, yeah. I will give you like a good bed with a good view.
Thanks. A whole wing, right? I get a few, like a whole wing, a whole section of your palace.
Wow. You want the whole floor?
I'm due for a nice holiday in Ahmed.
Yeah, absolutely. And you don't have to pay because you are my tutor.
I can help you. We can have lessons in person. I don't know
Yeah,
if Cambly,
exactly.
actually, I don't know if Cambly
Wow.
would like that.
Uh, I don't know what the situation
Kidding,
will be.
Cambly. Just kidding,
If
Cambly.
I speak with you like in person. Wow. Oh, for me, if I speak English in person,
Yeah, you'll
like
be fine. We just, you know what you do?
I didn't try it
Sorry.
before.
No, you could just put on your earbuds. We'll stick a laptop in front of you and we'll just pretend it's, online. I'll put my earbuds in. We're good.
But you are in front of me. Yeah, I'll take it.
We'll put a little blockade, we'll put a little wall.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you hear
You,
me? Can you hear me now? Do you see me? I see you.
yeah,
I can't hear you.
yeah, and they will tell like, I have a bad connection. Sorry.
Yeah. Yeah. Call back. Call back.
Yesterday I had a session with the South African tutor, and
Oh, cool.
but the session I had this session, and when I was driving my car
Ah,
with my father, but my father
mhm.
was driving the car.
Okay.
So that was like the first time that I speak with native English speaker in front of my father or in front of people.
Yeah, yeah. It's like people
So
are passing you. Yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
so it was embarrassing.
Aw, you felt a little awkward and a little like just
E-
out of
e-
sorts.
yeah, yeah. After the session, I asked him like, "Did you understand us?" He said, "Yeah, a little bit." I think, thank
Ah,
God.
just a little. Yeah, that's good. Is it,
Yeah,
does your father try to learn how to speak English? Is he learning, or does he know a few things from you? Or
few things cut from the school.
okay, very nice, awesome,
Yeah,
very nice. Yeah,
yeah. Because nowadays the young people, they are much interested with learning English because
yeah.
all of these technology like Cambly and YouTube videos,
Mhm.
these stuff like help us to learn
Yeah,
English. But
right.
in their time, there were no this technology.
Right, you're absolutely right. My mom, when
Yeah,
she left, when my parents emigrated from Poland to America, my father already knew English. He was there a little before her, a few years before her. Well, about a year before her, he moved there. And then she, went there and moved there and they bought a house and all that, but she didn't know any English.
yeah,
She subscribed to teaching English course, but it was via mail. So each week they would mail her a tape cassette. I don't know, how many people remember what a cassette is, but you put it in the radio or some kind of recording device, and she would listen to them speak English. She would repeat. She also had a book, and it had certain things written in English, and she had to write, or exercises that she had to complete.
Yeah.
And she would write whatever, complete the exercise, and she would have to mail that sheet in, and they would correct it, and then they would mail it back to her. That's how she helped herself to learn
Wow.
English. But
It's a
yeah, and
hard
also
process,
learning, quite a process to mail
Yeah.
something but it's interesting that they even had that as a possibility back then, But she also learned by watching TV. She, not just by doing that, like many people learn by watching, Friends, or, certain sitcoms or series or whatever on Netflix or streaming
Exactly.
devices.
Yeah. You
Yeah.
know, I imagine their podcasts at that time, their podcast like the video, the cassette, like, oh,
Yeah.
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 The
Yeah.
tape
Yeah.
recorder.
Yeah, that's exactly what it was. They were listening to a tape recorder. It's
Yeah.
so wild to think, that's how they got things done, and that's how they learned, and yeah, music. I still remember growing up and having, tape cassettes, and the radio with I remember actually it falling apart. Do you remember tape cassettes and how the tape itself would come out, and you'd have to,
Yeah, and you
yeah.
have like to use it in pen. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
or a pencil.
I'm I'm old enough. I lived that era.
Yeah, I think we just dated ourselves a little bit, showing how old we are. But yeah, those were the
But
days,
it
though.
was fun. Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, yeah, simpler times, right?
Simple.
Not, yeah. Technology is great, but back then, I feel like now we're just so bombarded with technology, and on your phone, there's always an email and always a new notification.
Yeah,
So much,
definitely.
so
Yeah,
much. Yeah.
the life like it's going very quickly.
Hmm.
Nowadays,
Yeah.
wow, like 100 apps on my cell phone. Like I can use Instagram, Facebook, podcast, Cambly,
Yeah.
Google, YouTube, Facebook. Whoa, and
Yeah.
wow,
Games.
here's you get games. I don't have games, on my
Yeah.
cell phone because wow, I don't have time to play.
I have a few games, but my games are Scrabble based, like where you have to, put together words. Scrabble? It's a popular American
Scrabble,
game.
yeah, like you like a puzzle, like you
Yeah,
have to think.
yeah, it makes you think. Exactly. I like those kind of
Yeah.
games, or Boggle or something where that you have 9 or 12 letters, and they scramble the letters, and you have to connect words. You have to make 3 letter, 4 letter, however many letter words you can make, and you get points for that. Those kind of games I like, but I don't play them as often as I used to as well because time. You know.
Yeah, yeah, exactly, definitely, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So
So
yeah.
they are, they are green, not blue.
Yeah, they're green.
They are green, not blue.
See?
We are unique.
Yeah, yeah, we are unique, and you have such amazing blue eyes. Yeah. Who
Thank
who has blue eyes in your family? I'm curious.
my grandparents, they had that color, green color,
They had green or blue?
a green color.
Green. Oh wow. Yeah.
But Viola, like I used to hear like from Americans, like they call it like to green and blue. Like in general, they call them like blue.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yours are such a crystal blue. They remind me of my grandfather had these amazing blue eyes too. Like yours are piercing. Like, like the first thing I noticed about you was your eyes. I'm like, wow. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
and
amazing. Yeah.
I have full control about my on my eyebrows. I
Yeah.
can do my face expression with them.
I can do it too.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. I can't lift this one though. I can't. A little bit. A little bit. But this one. Like, what are you talking about? Yeah. When someone does something wrong. When I teach at school with the little kids, I go, when they're doing something, what are you doing?
What are you doing? Yeah, what are you doing? You know, some people, they use like they use their eyes to speak. You know.
Yeah. I do that with the kids. Like, when they're doing something they should be doing, I'm like,
you know, my kids. You know, my kids. They figure out whether I am happy or I am like sad from my eyes. Yeah, like.
Yeah.
Or I'm happy.
Right. And yeah, exactly. When you do this, you know, like it's not like you're happy. And it's funny because when I teach at the preschool, I'm very happy, you know, but sometimes the kids do something that they shouldn't do. So I'm like this, and I look at them. Inside I'm laughing because I'm like, these kids, they're crazy. And I'm like, they're doing this, but the fact that they, you know, do it and that they don't care, I'm like, oh my gosh. But I'm like this, I'm like, and they look at me and they're like, but then they start to like, because they think I'm gonna smile, and I try not to. I'm like, keep it serious.
Like you cannot like control your face.
Yeah, no. Sometimes it's hard because kids, you know, kids say the funniest things and they do the funniest things and forget
exactly.
it.
They
Yeah,
want like they want giggle and every single minute.
Yeah. There's so much energy. It's amazing. I wish I could harness the energy. Give me that energy. Like, suck it up.
you have lived your era.
Yeah.
Wow. Now I'm like, I'm not making your day.
No, you're good.